Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Device to Poco X4 GT. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now from this screen here, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other device. Following that, choose Receive on Poco and Send on Xiaomi. Then you need to tap on all of those type of dots on your Xiaomi device and choose Send. This way you can choose all of your files and then send them. It will take a long time though to do it now, so I will go with only one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got It. Over here on Poco, choose No Thanks and close this window. Finally, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by selecting the scanning icon on Poco, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key here and then connect those smartphones by tapping on Receive. Now, after a literally couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!